The Morocco song?
I feel like there should be a song.
We can make up one. Yeah, be cool. Be cool. Be cool.
Okay,
we're in Morocco, baby! Oh my god! This place is beautiful.
Yes.
Colorful.
Stunning.
The sun is shining.
If we're in
the birds are
Agadir,
chirping.
it's a little touristy, but you know, we don't care because we're just so happy to be here.
It's just a good feeling all up in your body and your
the fresh air.
It's nice.
We're in a city. Oh, feels so good.
Ready to hit the beach, babe?
Oh, so ready.
Let's hit the beach.
Here it is.
You got sexy men playing soccer right in front of you. It's like it's just paradise. It's utopia. Oh, that's so kind of you, babe.
I took the bigger one because I knew you weren't that hungry.
Well, that's false. That's 100% false.
Tyler and I screwed ourselves. We came out to the beach to get breakfast and it's noon and we're starving. And so the cheapest thing on any menu we found after going to 6 restaurants was, what is, I don't even want to call it pizza. It looks like pizza. The thing is, it's not margarita and it's not really, but Tyler's gone to ask for marinara sauce, if that tells you anything. Don't order pizza in Morocco, or nowhere to go. That's better, nowhere to go. So that didn't go very well?
No, thank you very much.
We're not gonna be complainers. We're gonna be winners.
We're gonna be winners.
So we took pizza, but we said we were gonna give it to the next kid who asks us for something because they tend to keep doing that. And
anybody wants a pizza?
Asking us now that we have something to give. English. English? English?
English? Sure.
Yes.
What he wants?
Money. Oh,
no.
He
wants some money.
You want some pizza? Pizza?
Yeah?
Pizza. Whatever, get some kids some pizza for the day. I hope they enjoy it. It's not bad pizza, it's just like,
we're looking
we've had
for some
pizza.
We were looking for breakfast. And
yeah.
that was like,
and then we got mediocre pizza.
Not fist.
Tyler has joined the game. Wait, where is he? Oh, there he is.
Because I don't know what they're saying, but it sounds really nice and polite. Goodbye. Baso. Hello. What would you like to do now, my love?
I am a disco dancer. And the way he was singing it was so catchy.
It was catchy.
Very nice. All day long.
We're on our way to go get dinner.
I like ice cream, okay?
I had to stop and get some ice cream. I'm not complaining. It's very good. And I think it's giving us the right amount of...
Sounds like you are complaining.
It's giving us the right amount of energy for the long walk to the restaurant that we're going to. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be hungry by the time I get there.
Yeah, that's the plan.
You are so cute, bro.
Actually got an amazing looking Moroccan salad. And I got lamb couscous. What? Shut the front door.
You're not getting it right. No, dude.
Okay, you guys are about to witness one of the most incredible things in the entire world. This is Ashley bargaining for a bag that we want. Prepare yourself. She is inspecting the bags, making sure that this is the one that we want. Oh, maybe the yellow. Now she's asking for more colors. She's not happy with the choices provided. Notice the feet. Oh, she's bargaining on the prices. Now she is comparing prices, saying that it is too expensive. My negotiation skills are not as good as Ashley's, but she has gotten $10 off.
I'll do it for 30 though. The green one for 30. We're taking it to Texas. We'll tell everyone a good price.
We have a bag, ladies and gentlemen. So what once was a $15 bag now became a $3 bag.
Bag, baby.
She is happy, frolicking, one might say hop, skipping, and jumping through the Moroccan sun with her prize.
Thanks, babe. So we're running. I wish we had a motorbike, but we don't. But we are running back to the beach to catch the sunset.
Should be a really good one. Looks like it's gonna be really nice under the water.
We changed in preparation because it gets a little chilly at night. Oh, and then we're gonna come back to this bar for the beer that we have been wanting all day. We have not had one in like a couple of months. We need to have a beer.
We'll do it at the UK pub.
Yeah, that has live music tonight. Woo. Guess what the camera's saying?
I look good.
Low battery.
Is it really? Good thing I got this. I will say, man, Morocco is absolutely stunning. Agadir, if you want some good time at the beach, great sunsets, good food, nice people, Agadir really is a nice place to come to. I know a lot of people might say like it's touristy and there's not that much things to do, but what more could you want than this?
Trying to find the best spot for our portrait.
This is not it. I cannot walk here like this.
Exactly.
I must go to the border.
This sunset is incredible. And the moon behind us is full tonight. And it's also incredible.
You are not a Jedi. You cannot have this.
I passed the test.
You did not pass the Jedi test.
Last week I passed it.
Did you really?
Did you pass the Jedi test? You can tell we've been traveling for a long time together because we just make up random stuff to entertain ourselves now.
We have to.
Like different languages we speak sometimes when we're bored, like in our hotel room, and Tyler gets really annoyed with my accents I make up, and when we're hungry, it gets real good.
The Dolly Parton actually likes to come out when she's hungry.
I get that from my mother. I wasn't doing it. What I'm gonna do now? Because that's the good shit. Oh shit, Mom. My pants got wet. We were not paying attention. We were just focused on Dolly.
You know what time it is, right?
It looks very empty, my love.
But the beer taps aren't empty though.
From Morocco.
Casablanca.
And the other popular.
Flag 33.
We're trying them. Is it?
Yeah, it is, right.
Switch.
I like the Casablanca beer better than the Flag 33, I think.
Ending.
More bang for your buck, baby. It may not taste the best, but it's good.
These bad boys are $6 a pop.
Yeah, this is like American drinking prices.
Absurd. We decided
More. We're gonna enjoy the soccer game, finish our beer.
Yeah, soccer.
Call it a night. On this episode of the Travel Days of Our Lives, we have to cut Ashley's hair off. Split ends are real.
Central.
Split end central?
Yeah. I think that's good enough for now. I don't know how to do it anymore.
You didn't cut anything off.
Yes, I did. This hotel was pretty cool, guys. It was pretty freaking awesome, right?
It was pretty nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. Other than the bathtub, like putting off its own sand, which is very strange.
That's not from us. That's just from the tap.
You seriously cannot complain for the price. This place was $26. You're 5-minute walk from the beach. Yeah. It is gorgeous. It's like an apartment kind of complex.
Around here.
Yeah, such a good area for the tourists.
A massive pool.
Oh,
huge,
beautiful.
Beautiful pool. There's a bar.
This place is called Hotel Agadir.
I'll show you.
I don't think we're supposed to pronounce the T. Yeah, they pronounce it like
really nice.
We really like it.
Yeah.
Agadir, Morocco. Go to Marrakesh. He said, go now. Hurry, we can get on this one.
He said the buses go every
hour.
On the hour, so.
We didn't buy a ticket.
We didn't buy a ticket.
Marrakesh.
200.
200?
We
200?
we cannot afford this.
50? Is there one in
No, 200.
No. Like 1 hour? No. I bet there's one in 1 hour.
Yes, there is.
Let's just go ask somebody else. Maybe.
Yes.
80.
No, we know it's 50.
No.
We know this.
Marrakesh.
We have a budget, we know the price. We know this is not the right price.
No problem. No 50.
Yes, it is. We know it is.
No 50.
Yeah, we don't care what bus we take. We only have a certain amount of money.
This one. 50. 60.
We know it's 50-50.
Good.
No problem. Okay.